everyone, Jane Galena here, also known as Airplane Jane, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about how my cryptocurrency that I had invested just sort of went poof, disappeared. Not a fun subject, but one that will hopefully protect you and help you in the future. So if you guys know anything about me, my channel, it is all about trying to help you, the follower, the viewer, to learn more about trading, to take control of your financial future, and to be the best trader that you can be while educating yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button if you like the video, turn on those notifications, ding, if you'd like to get a notification, but of course you have to be subscribed to do that, to get those notifications, so please subscribe as well. All right, so cryptocurrency, poof, right? Not a fun scenario. How did it happen? Well, I am a US expat in Canada, and I was using Bittrex to trade starting back in 2017. Remember when Bitcoin was going to the moon up to 20,000? Well, now it's 2020 and it pretty much came back up there again. So on that upward rise, once we were hitting 14, 16,000, again, I thought, hey, let me go and check out my cryptocurrency and see how it's doing, right? Let me see how much value I regained, because my intention was to hold it longer term, seeing that Bitcoin was likely going to be accepted. And I thought, okay, let me go check on the valuation, right? So I go to look for it. Okay, I can't get into my account. What's going on? Well, remember when Bittrex was hacked? Yeah. I was one of those people that lost my cryptocurrency due to the hack. Lesson learned. Thankfully, you know, this, as with any money that you really put into crypto, you need to be aware that it could literally just disappear. We live in a digital world right now, and websites get hacked, and it's very important that you know this before you start trading. Before you start trading cryptocurrencies. Make sure that you have an external crypto wallet that you are able to take it off of your computer, transfer it to your crypto wallet, so that you physically have a hold of the currency in digital form on your crypto wallet. I did not do that. I mean, granted, this was roughly like $2,000. I have other crypto as well, but that was the investments when I was dabbling and like, hey, okay, let me just, you know, put a little into it. Mostly Ripple, Litecoin, and Bitcoin, and Ethereum as well. So it was not a super huge amount, because I was going into it with, hey, this could go to zero or this could go to the moon. So I'm just going to invest a little bit. And thankfully, it was just a little bit. I mean, I feel sorry for those people that potentially put all their life retirement into it when it was at the top back at 20,000, 2017, 3 years ago, right? Ouch, that was painful to see it drop back down to 10,000. And thankfully, you know, as with any sort of trading, trade with what you can lose and it's not going to affect you. This was a lesson in trading cryptos or holding on to cryptocurrencies for me, which I do have the link to an amazing crypto wallet down below. You can get off Amazon, super inexpensive, you know, roughly 40, 50 bucks. And you're able to keep your digital currency in your hands until you're ready to sell it or do anything further with it. So know that. And there's another great resource of the crypto.com credit card, which is pretty awesome because you're able to convert money and use it like a credit card right there. However, that is still on their server. So just keep that in mind. I like it that you'd be able to spend it with cryptocurrency, and also PayPal as well, which is pretty cool that you can buy it and store it there. I kind of feel like that's a little bit safer because that is a US regulated company right now. So in a way, it might be the US also putting their hand in tracking cryptos with that, because the Fed has not come up with a way to track it as of yet. So maybe there was a Fed PayPal agreement somewhat to track money through PayPal. We might be seeing it happen through Venmo as well. It would not surprise me. And we know that Amazon is looking to accept Bitcoin as payment. In fact, I'm going to start accepting it on my website, cjanetrade.com. So check all of that out, because it is really important to know what you're getting into when you start to trade cryptocurrencies. It could poof, disappear overnight. So be aware of that and protect yourself. Protect yourself with a secure crypto wallet, please. I don't want you to be trading with a super large sum of money or trading with a sum of money that you are not okay with losing and it gets lost due to a hacker. I would feel awful. So this is my warning. Please protect your cryptocurrency with a remote digital wallet that you physically hold, and you're able to use that to protect your cryptocurrency. All right? Have an amazing day, guys. As always, stay tuned for why I like Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency of choice in moving forward into 2021. That's coming up in my next video. So have an amazing day. Carpe profit, seize those profits, one trade at a time.